The Alarm.com video doorbell is equipped with highly intelligent video analytics technology, allowing you to receive alerts when someone is approaching your doorbell, along with a recorded clip of the event. It's even possible to automate your Z-Wave lights using video analytics. To create the video analytics rule, begin by logging into the mobile app. Tap the menu icon followed by video. Next, tap the settings gear, followed by recording rules. Tap new rule. Tap video analytics. Select your video doorbell camera, then tap next. Give your recording rule a name. Next, configure the ground zone. Tap to create points and connect them to finalize your ground zone so that the interior is green. You can drag your points to adjust the shape. Recordings will be triggered when a person's feet are detected within the green highlighted area. If you need to start over, tap Clear Ground Zone and begin again. Use the slider to select a desired detection sensitivity level. Use the drop-down menu to choose your desired minimum delay between clips. Apply any exceptions for when this recording rule should not be active. Next, select Recipients. Here, you can choose who should receive the notification and how it will be delivered. Use the drop-down menu to decide whether each recipient should receive a text-only notification or whether a thumbnail from the recording should be attached. If you have Z-Wave lights on your system, at this point, you can select whether they should be activated when a person is detected. To finish, tap Save.